over my soul. Okay? And I'm going to read out the auto suggestions and priming statements before we get started. I'll say each twice. I give myself permission to embody a new standard of overflow. I give myself permission to embody a new standard of overflow. I trust the wisdom of my body and its natural pace. Okay, go ahead and close your eyes. Thank you, Nikki. Now allow your body to soften, shoulders dropping, jaw relaxing, and your belly unclenching. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of everything that doesn't belong to you. One more breath. And this time, let your exhale carry away the need to perform, to produce, or to prove. Feel yourself arriving right here, in your body, in your breath. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a river. This is not just any river, it's the current of your life, flowing with the energy you've given away and the energy that's ready to return. Notice the water. Fast, chaotic in some places, still and serene in others. You step in. And with each step, your nervous system softens. And with each breath, you call your energy back. I call my power back from every place that I left it in. From every yes I didn't mean. From every time I ignored my needs. From every calendar block that betrayed my biology. I am safe to rest. My value is not in how much I do, but in how deeply I lead. I trust myself to set boundaries that honor my energy. My calm is powerful. My presence is enough. Overflow is my new normal. Feel that energy spiraling inward, not from force, but from magnetic reclamation. Let it rise through your feet, your legs, your pelvis, your chest, settling in your heart, not as effort, but as power. Now see them, the version of you who leads from overflow. They do not chase. They magnetize. They do not hustle. They hold. Watch how they protect their calendar like a sacred temple. Watch how they say no, not with fear, but with knowing. Watch how their presence recalibrates every room they walk into. You are not becoming them. You are remembering them. Take a moment now and breathe. Inhale, I lead from overflow. Exhale, I release, overgiving. Begin to imagine one area of your life where you will lead with this version of you. Let it become vivid. See it. Feel it. Hear how they speak. When you're ready, anchor this identity in your body. Tap your heart. Anchor them in. They are yours. And so it is. Okay, that concludes our embodiment reset.